सनद बिल्डर्स एंड डेवलपर्स घर स्वप्ना पलीकडचे फ्लॅट prices starting at just 14.5 lakh near Dodamarg Court 800 meters from Goa Maharashtra border.
कोविड स्थिती नियंत्रणात येईपर्यंत कसिनो आणि नाईट क्लब सारख्या गोष्टी बंद करण्याची मागणी गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस समितीने केली आहे.
Today's press conference is to condemn the Chief Minister's careless and lethargic attitude in handling this COVID-19 situation. After such a delayed period of time and the CM making a trip to Delhi and back, he comes and announces a very selective curfew. Are Savant, your biggest hotspots is your North Goa beach belt, which GMC is saying. It's come on the front page of Times of India today. Besides your nightclubs, restaurants, the casinos, we are seeing reports and pictures every day that the casino is house full. What is this 50% that you have announced? On what basis are you going to monitor them? And what is their capacity? Why is it that you haven't locked them up? And who are you scared of? Are you scared of the casino industry? Are you scared of the BJP national leadership? You people are still not serious. You all are busy patronizing this casino industry at the cost of our Goan brothers and sisters. Our medical system is already crumbling. Rane himself has admitted that patients have no space. I know people who are lying on the floor outside GMC. You all have no equipment. People are dying because you all cannot handle this overload. The Congress party believes that we need to ease off this pressure of our medical system. On one side, our NSUI members had to come and plead with you to postpone their exams. On the other side, you all are denying our taxi brothers to their fundamental right to protest because of the COVID-19 restrictions. COVID spreads only when the taxi brothers gather, not in the casinos. If the restrictions are there, you lock everything, no? You lock the borders, you lock the casinos until the situation improves. And I'll request our health minister to ask his chief minister to lock these casinos and the borders, Maharashtra and Karnataka borders, until the COVID situation handles. Otherwise, our medical system will not be in a position to handle this situation. Goa Medical College themselves had said, and Rani today has made a statement. So it's time that Rani requests his chief minister to sum it up. The Congress party demands that the casinos, the nightclubs and our borders be locked until this COVID situation improves.
The government's totally skewed priorities and wrong decisions, and I say wrong decisions, has given rise to this frightful situation that Goans are facing today. While we issue this type of orders for Section 144, we still say that elections are going to go on. Counting is going to go on. There is no clarity how the 10 to 6 curfew is going to work under Section 144, on which my friend Joel will elaborate further. The situation regarding medication and medical supplies is even more dangerous. Our leader of opposition and CLP leader Mr. Digambar Kamath had already asked the government to provide a day-to-day report to Goans of what are the facilities in terms of the life-saving medication that is available with the government. Government is not ready to do it because they know the situation is not good. oxygen supplies are dwindling because the government had one oxygen supplier for the whole state of Goa. And this is after the government knows for the last one whole year that COVID pandemic is not gone away. The whole world has faced a second wave and we were not far away from it. We had to wait for some mercy from Kerala to provide us some extra oxygen. If not, the situation would have been even worse. What is this type of planning of the government? We do not know. Are they working for the welfare of Goans, or this government is only thinking of its own welfare? If the government doesn't have funds to provide the basic facility of health for Goans to survive, why are we running after this linear projects, the Tanmar projects, for the benefit of some industrialists that are seeking to pry on Goa and Goans? We need to set the records right, and we need to set our priorities right away. And mind you, government still charges 12% GST on a life-saving oxygen that provides immediate relief to a COVID patient. The government also needs to tell us what they did in 1 year's time when a proper plan, a proper roadmap could have been laid out to provide additional facilities to circumvent the difficulties that we experienced during the last, exactly at this point in time last year, and to bring a better picture before Goans to fight this pandemic.
बेळगाव सारखी शॉपिंग आता गोंयांत शक्य फक्त बॉम्बे बाजारांत. बॉम्बे बाजार घेऊन आयला तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो, लग्न समारंभ आणि वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्या खातीर खास साड्यो. त्याच बरोबर गिफ्ट करपाक 300 रुपयांच्यान साड्यो, सिल्क साडी 900 रुपयांच्यान सुरुवात आणि लेहंगा 3000च्या रेंजी पासून सुरुवात. शिलाई आणि एम्ब्रॉयडरीची खास सोय. तर आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी. प्राचीन आणि कलात्मक वस्तूंचो खजिनो जे तुमच्या घरात घरपण हाडटले. देवी देवतांच्यो मुर्त्यो असो किंवा पूजेचे सामान, शोपीस असो किंवा तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो शोभेच्यो वस्तू, गिफ्ट करात किंवा स्वतःचे घर सजयात. आमचे डिझायनर शॉल आणि हँडीक्राफ्ट पळोवपाक मुजरत यात. आमचो पत्तो बॉम्बे बाजार, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.
Handicraft shopping only at Bombay Bazaar.